By God's grace, our work are accomplished. God, we are connect what God bind us when God want that will occur. This human body, children, spouse, house, all are belong of God. Human all clings to this. God is our power. Dictatorial youth God is regulator. Our we eat. What God give us. What God desire. That will occur. Nothing comes this world without God's will. This woman is settled by God. God is the prompter of all work. God has created human of many model. Human receive good fortune from God. God Himself is the giver of good fortune. God nourishes. God live in human heart throughout the ages. God create human. God is ever with us. God preserve, protect, care of all human. Appoint family member. Our work resolved by God. All power human find from God. God create this human body. Respiration of life. God complete our desire. God remove our suffering. Everyone flows from God. God is our support of life. God is the inner recognized. God provide food of all human. By God's power we working, earn money eating, buy and sell roaming. God is our respiration of life. God gave us good fortune. By God's grace we obtain honor, fame, prestige administered. The country God bestow us. Great association. Honor, big building, garden, high social rank. In all human heart, including God. God create human, God save human, God feed us, keep us in His vision, indoor and outdoor. God empower us, food God take care of us. If God will happy, all happy and happy. If God will say, all are safe. All resources of human lack in the Lord's hand. God is our advisor. God create human from man, for man, color God. Create different varieties human what we found is God's will. God holds all human in His hand. For homeless poor man, God create farmland, God create wheat, rice, God give rain for sprout corn, grain to build home, God create bamboo plant. God bestow rain day, corn grows, God give milk in cow, which turn in ghee and cheese when God places. Then we go to foreign country. God gave cotton, his provide clothing for all. God could make some human eat delicious food, and some human God could make to eat dry food. Our food provided by God. God regulate our respiration. God created human, and God put human to various tasks. God is our consciousness. God is our intellect. God is our sleep. God is our hunger. God is our reflection. God is our power. Our trust is God. God is our forgiveness. God is our modesty. Our faith is God. God empower us world. God empower us beauty. God empower us good fortune. God is our activity. God is our memory. God give us compassion. God is our contentment. God is our parent. God empower us truth. And our God is our senses. God governs us. Reading, writing, thinking, seeing, eating, business, official work. These driver traits create from God. God is the radiant of sun. God is the glow of moon and stars. God give us beauty. God give us prosperity, prestige, fame, high social rank, memory, intelligence. God create grain and vegetable. God is the time. God provide food to human. God has on all side. God is our power as ruler. God is our intellect as administration of the country. God is our victory for achieve high rank. God is our resolve of our resolution. God is our glorious of high social rank. God is our prime source. God is the sap in water. God is the glow in the moon and the sun. God created the earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intellect. God is the smell in the earth. God is the brightness in fire. God is our power. God is our intellect. All human are depend in respiration. This respiration is God. Grain depend on rain. God gives shower. Rain. God creator. God support human by give life energy. God gives safe in place. God is the fertility to all plants. God is the brightness in the sun. Sun light up the world. God is our respiration. God is simulation of food. God sitting all human. God is the inner controller of all human. God is our source of power, memory, knowledge.